Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you how you can disable location sharing on your iPhone without anyone knowing about it. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to write your comments after watching the video and be sure to put your likes. So let's get started with you and me. I'm going to show you a few ways that you can generally enable your location on your iPhone. So the easiest, and I think the obvious one, is to open the Find My app. And here you'll need to tap on the Me section. Next, swipe up to open the Customize section of Me. And here you'll find Share My Location settings, and you can just turn them off. But if you're sharing your location, so to speak, with your whole family, and when you turn that feature off in this app, your family members, or your friends, or other people that you're sharing this app with, and you're sharing your location with, because they're going to get a notification about it. So it's not the most reliable method. And another method is you can swipe down from the right side with your finger to go to the Shortcuts menu. And here you can find this kind of airplane sign. If you tap on it, it will take you to airplane mode. Now I have Wi-Fi enabled, but if you don't have Wi-Fi enabled, then you'll have an airplane sign like this on top. This will mean that you have absolutely no network, either cellular or Wi-Fi. Because of this, of course, you will not be able to share your location with anyone. You will disable location access. But there is one downside to this method, I think an obvious one: the fact that you won't have internet. But if you're happy with it, you can use it. And one more method. You can go into your phone settings to do this. Then you scroll down until you find Privacy and Security. And here, at the top, you will find the very first section is Determining Your Location. And after you go into it, you can disable your location. And it will be disabled on absolutely all apps wherever possible. And so you can enable location sharing on your phone, and no one will know about it. Or you can find, for example, the same Find My app, go to it, and then you can turn your location off from there, and nobody will know about it because you did it not from the application itself, but from the phone settings. This is how you can disable location sharing on your iPhone without anyone knowing about it. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments, and see you soon.